All right. This is Gmetrix. I've got it open. I'm going into Office. Most students are in Excel, so I'm going to go to Excel. This is Training 1, Training 2, Training 3, as we discussed last week. These are extra trainings that you can go on to. There's also the Excel. There's some from Ms. Harlan. The functions and charts are especially important. So these you want to definitely do, but exam 1 would be training 1, exam 2 is training 2, and training 3 is exam 3. This is just as we'd gone over it last week. So when you go into the training mode, this is where you would do it the first time using help, the second time trying not to use help, and then the third time you're hoping to go to the testing mode. So here is the training 1, and you'll see I have to start a new test. My codes are already put in, so I pick one. And this is just telling me we're downloading. Okay. And I've had this open and closed so much today that it's trying to figure out what I'm asking. Okay, so these are the different tasks. You have projects 1 through 7. You have the restart, which will reset it to brand new, the 1 through 7. Then the save the project is where you want to end and leave for the day. Grade the project, it's going to grade what you finished, and then it'll come back to 2 of 7 on the next one. So I would go through task 1 and then task 2, task 3, until task 4. Or task 5, and task 5 I'll do real quick, and it's hide it. Now I'm going to say grade the project. When I grade it, oh, it tells me I have 5 correct, but I missed 1 through 4. So I can do a retry and go back and do them now, or I can come back at the very end and do them again. So then when I go to next, it brings me to project 2 of 7. And you should be able to get 7 of 7 done in one class period. And again, this isn't opening up the way it should. So I'm going to go ahead and save this project. And I'm going to say to the cloud, because I don't want it bogging up my computer with all the trainings. This is where I told you about the redeem. So when you go to redeem, it asks for the access codes that I've already given you. Here's test. I can go and look at what tests I have completed already. And you'll see I have the MTA all complete. It gives me the score. This is 31 from 10-1. I don't know when that was. But you'll see where I've been working on the MTA, which I just took that testing and in June. So this is showing you there. When I start a new test, it automatically brings me back to where I want to go. So when I go here, if I'm on Word, I would go to Word. These are expert. We're not there until we're done testing. This is for PowerPoint. So at this point, you should be ready to do the trainings.